I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Spektrum Bluetooth. First, ensure both your Spektrum device and your mobile device are fully charged. Next, download the official Spektrum Link application from your device's App Store. Once installed, power on your Spektrum device and activate its Bluetooth function. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and successful connection process, setting the stage for seamless control and data access. Now that your devices are ready, open the Spektrum Link app on your mobile phone or tablet. Within the application, you will find an option to Connect Device. Tap this, and a list of available Bluetooth devices will appear. Select your specific Spektrum device from this list. If prompted, confirm the pairing request on both your Spektrum unit and your mobile device to establish a secure connection. Once successfully connected, the Spektrum Link app unlocks a world of functionality. You can view real-time telemetry data, giving you immediate insights into your model's performance. Easily adjust various settings and configurations for your Spektrum device directly from your phone. Furthermore, the app allows you to perform essential firmware updates, ensuring your equipment always runs with the latest enhancements and features. Encountering connection issues can be frustrating, but many are easily resolved. If your devices fail to connect, try restarting both your Spektrum device and your mobile phone. Always double-check that Bluetooth is actively enabled on both units. Ensure they are within close proximity, ideally within 10 meters, for optimal signal strength. For persistent problems, a fresh reinstall of the Spektrum Link app can often clear up glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.